Welcome back. Hi, guys. It's only me. I know, late with the videos, but life happens, kids happen, school happen, and here we are. Anyways, this is the final DC vlog video. So I want to say thank you guys for sticking out. Thank you guys for being patient. Thank you guys for waiting around. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Here we are checking out of the hotel. After we got done with that, we took an Uber over to Navi, and we only got up to a few things. So stay tuned, and you guys will see what we did that day. Enjoy the video. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This place, the bathroom, took all the towels that we used down, made a pile of them here. Shower, wet obviously because we just took showers. Everything, you know, is copacetic. That's the bath. It is September 15th, so Saturday, September. It is Saturday, April 15th at 8:25. So, yeah. Oh, this is road trash. I think we took out all our trash all week. This is just what's we condensed. I think they could take that out. Um, don't drink the coffee, so that's still there. Section is empty. Microwave is how we found it. Fridge is also how we found it. Everything's empty, just like how we found it. Countertop needs wiping down, but they could do that. It's still here, so bed's folded up, dirty sheets. The desk is basically empty. This will be empty once I pick that up. That's, and of course, rumple sheets. I mean, they gotta come change the sheets anyways. I'll do one more walkthrough once we're headed out the door. Okay, so after we got over to Navi, this girl needed a bigger pot to make some curry chicken. I had all this food in the freezer at home for her in Jersey, and I completely forgot it. So we had to walk over to Georgetown to a TJ Maxx to get a bigger pot so I could make her some curry chicken. And this girl made me do a lot of walking on this trip. But anyways, saw some beautiful sights, took some pictures, got some video, and and walked. So yeah.
I'll pay for it myself. From all my leggings, the machine has ruined them. So
You didn't stop using that machine.
I know, right? I gotta wash my hands. Come on, girl.
Footage from today. You know, to share them a little bit of your rice, your curry before we leave. So this is what I'm doing. I should have bought a bigger pack. But you're not gonna eat all of this. I know that.
I am.
A bigger pack. This is what I'm doing. Visited Madame. You can see her back, her hair. She see her, and this because I left her food. I have to cook. It's okay. I'm Madame.
And
Okay, so it started storming, so most of what we had planned for that day had to be canceled. So yeah, we just chilled with her for a couple of hours while we waited to see if the rain was going to stop, which it did. And you'll see what we did after the rain ended. Night. Remember on the weather it said it's supposed to rain today? Yeah. And then it had changed? I guess it did. I guess it did. We should have went to the damn White House after we left TJ Maxx. Well, I guess another reason for us to come back. Oh, this boring. Okay, so it stopped raining and we decided to go back out. And DC is a very walkable town. If you've never been, it's easily walkable. Metro is amazing, but we got out. We decided to walk around to the White House, and here we are, headed to the White House and getting to the White House. And can you believe that in all the times I've actually been to DC, this is my first official time actually going around to the White House? I know, crazy, right? I literally go to DC at least every 2 to 3 months. But yeah, here we are. DC was fun.
You guys
I
have a picture in
enjoyed
front
it,
of it when you were.
and I've been a tourist there, and I will do it again because there's so much to see. And I encourage anyone that has not been, that lives in the States, to just take a ride down to DC. Okay, here we are now later on that night at the train station at Union Station, getting ready to head back home. So at the end of this video, we'll have some photo clips from the day. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share this video or any of my other videos. Thank you guys.